Good morning, Montfortians. So, we have started the chapter number 15. Jack plays a joke, and we have completed the first half of this chapter. In the first half, there are two boys named Chuck and Jack who live with their mother, and now they are traveling to meet their father in Siberia. But when they reach, they find out that their father has gone away for 10 days. So now they are all alone in the forest and they have to live in an unknown place with their mother. So we have discussed that Mother and Chuck had to go out to collect water and twigs, but when they came back, they found out that Jack was missing. So they were searching Jack everywhere in the house. They searched for him under a pile of sheepskin, under the stove, but he was not there. So Mother went towards the road with her lantern. Lantern means lamp, and she started firing. She fired 3 times, and when she fired, she heard an answering shot. Okay. So she wanted to run, but her felt boots sank in the snow and the lantern fell out and its glass broke and it was completely dark. Till here we have done. Now we'll study the next part of the chapter. So please keep your finger on the paragraph which I am reading. A piercing scream came from the watchman's hut. It was Chuck. When he heard the shots, he thought that the wolves which had eaten Jack are now attacking Mother. So, piercing means loud, shrill, okay? Scream means shout. So, someone was shouting from the watchman's hut and it was Chuck. Chuck thought that the firing was because that there were wolves, okay? And now they are attacking his mother. So Mother ran inside the house, she threw the lantern and she ran panting into the house, breathing hard. Okay, immediately there was a clatter and a banging on the steps. Clatter means repeated sounds. Okay, so there was repeated sounds and there was a banging of the footsteps. Fine, the door flew open and the door opened, and in a cloud of vapor means quickly the dog raced in, followed by the watchman. So who was there in the mother's house? The watchman and his dog. What's the matter? What's all the firing about? He asked without greeting them or taking off his things. I have lost my boy. Tears ran down Mother's face. So watchman asked, why were you firing? Why are you worried? So Mother replied, I've lost my son. I've lost my boy, Jack. Next page. Just a moment now, the watchman said. When did you lose him? Long ago or just now? Back fearless, he ordered the dog. So the watchman started asking Mother that when did you lose your son? Was it long ago or was it just now? So he ordered his dog Fearless. The name of the dog was Fearless, to go and find out Jack. An hour ago, Mother replied. We were out fetching water, and when we came back, he was gone. So Mother told watchman that I lost my Jack an hour ago. We were out fetching means taking water, and when we came back, he was missing. He couldn't have gone very far in an hour, and if he's wearing his felt boots and coat, he cannot be frozen. Come here, Fearless, have a sniff. Okay, so watchman said that he couldn't have gone very far in an hour, and if he is wearing his boots and his coat, he also cannot be frozen in the snow. So he ordered his dog Fearless to have a sniff. Sniff means to smell. Okay. The watchman pulled Jack's hood off the hook. Then he held it and Jack's galoshes under the dog's nose. The dog sniffed at the things and lifted his clever eyes to his master's face. So he gave 2 things to the dog to sniff, to smell. One was Jack's hood and second was Jack's galoshes. Galoshes means shoes. Okay, so the dog sniffed, smelled both the things, and he started searching for Jack. All the word meanings are given in the PDF. Please read it and understand. Go, Fearless, find him, cried the watchman, throwing the door open. But the dog wagged his tail and remained where he was. So the dog moved his tail. Wagged means to move. And he remained where he was. He turned round and then he stopped near a big wooden trunk. And he started scratching its cover, its lid, with his shaggy paw. Shaggy means hairy and paw means animal's foot. Okay, so he started scratching that big wooden trunk with its paw, with its foot. Then turning to his master, he gave 3 loud and lazy barks. Okay, who was a master? The watchman. So he gave 3 loud barks. Okay, when a dog barks means something he has found out. The watchman went over to the trunk and threw back its lid. There, on a heap of sheepskins and sacks, lay Jack, fast asleep. He was covered with his coat and his head rested on his hat. So, when the dog gave loud barks, once he saw that trunk, the watchman went over to that trunk. He opened the lid of the trunk, and on the inside that trunk was Jack, and he was sleeping inside that trunk. He was covered with his coat, and his head was lying on his hat. When he was woken up, his sleepy eyes blinked. He could not understand why such a fuss was being made about him. Mother kept kissing him and crying. Chuck tugged at his arms and legs, jumping up and down. So when Jack woke up, he blinked his eyes. Okay, his eyes were sleepy, so he started blinking his eyes, and he could not understand why such a situation was being made. Fuss means excitement or worry. Okay, so he could not understand why such excitement was there, why such worry was there. Mother was kissing him, she was crying, and Chuck tugged him, pulled him, okay, and he started hooray, hooray in excitement. It turned out that Jack had felt terribly lonely when Mother and Chuck went out for water, and he decided to play a practical joke on them. His idea was to hide in the trunk till they got back and began searching for him, and then give them the scare of their lives by howling inside the trunk. Okay, so what was Jack's plan? Jack's plan was to play a joke with his mother and his brother. Okay, his plan was to hide in the trunk, and when his mother and Chuck will come back to the house, he will shout from inside the trunk and they will get scared. This was Jack's plan. But since they took a long time to return home, so he had dozed off. He slept inside the trunk. Okay, he decided to play a practical joke. Practical joke means trick, okay, on someone. Mother placed her hand gratefully on the watchman's shoulder, but Jack got a scolding for giving everyone such a fright. Mother explained to him why it was a mistake to hide and worry everyone. Okay, so mother thanked watchman by placing her hand on his shoulder, but Jack was scolded for giving everyone such a fear. Fright means fear, and she explained that do not play practical jokes, do not play tricks against someone, do not hide and worry everyone. Okay, make worry everyone. So when he realized his mistake, Jack was very sorry. He apologized for his mistake. He went and sat quickly beside mother. Okay, beside means next to. Okay, who would not let him out of her sight for the rest of the evening. So mother would not let go Jack for out of her sight. Why? Because she was worried that her son went missing, and now she was very much attached to Jack after finding him from the trunk. Students, please read the chapter 2-3 times. I have shared the explanation. I have shared all the word meanings. Finish the question answers in your fair notebook. If you have any doubt in this chapter, you are free to call me, free to message me. Okay, thank you.